Well, what happened to this headliner? Hmm. Hello, friends. Today we're working on a 2005 Buick LaSabre. And what we're doing is putting new fabric on a headliner that came with none. So, I apologize for my background noise. I am running the fans because I'm too cheap to put the ACs in yet. Anyway, so we're going to get in here and we're going to start pulling down this headliner. So, not bad for a rookie helping out and going to YouTube University to at least get a visual of what the heck I was doing, because I had no idea headliners drop down, and I'm thinking, oh, interesting. Today was definitely a learning experience, and it was extremely interesting, but I'm glad I got to help out. That kind of gave me an idea of, the future. If we have to do it again, at least I have an idea of what I would be doing. So, thanks for hanging out on my channel for a minute, guys. I sure do appreciate it. If you'll hit that like button and maybe leave me a comment. Have you ever had to do a headliner before? Was it this difficult? Pulling out and putting it back in were the most difficult pieces, and then putting everything back where it belonged. But anyway, thanks for hanging out, guys. Hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. And until the next video, you know how it goes. We'll see you later.